In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle security deposits in QuickBooks. If you manage rental properties or collect refundable deposits from tenants, it's really important to record those payments correctly. A security deposit is not rental income when you receive it. Instead, it's money you're holding temporarily, and that means it should usually be tracked as a liability. Setting it up the right way helps keep your books accurate and makes things much easier later if you need to refund part or all of the deposit. The first thing you'll want to do is create the correct liability account in QuickBooks. To do that, go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, and click New. From there, choose the account type called Other Current Liabilities. If your lease terms typically extend beyond 1 year, you may want to use long-term liability instead, since that can better reflect how long you're holding the funds. For the account name, enter Tenant Security Deposits. Using a clear and specific name like this makes the account easy to recognize when you're reviewing reports or entering transactions later on. This setup matters because it separates deposit money from your revenue. If you accidentally record a tenant security deposit as income, your financial statements can be misleading, and that may also create confusion when it's time to return the funds. Once the liability account is in place, the next step is recording the tenant's payment correctly. When the tenant pays the deposit, click New and then choose Receive Payment, or use Sales Receipt if that fits your workflow better. Select the correct customer profile so the payment is tied to the right tenant record. Then, instead of assigning that payment to a regular income account, make sure it is mapped directly to the Tenant Security Deposits liability account you just created. This is the key part of the process. By posting the payment to the liability account, QuickBooks will show that you received the cash, but it will not count it as earned income. That gives you a much more accurate picture of your finances and helps you track exactly how much deposit money you're holding at any given time. As a quick tip, always double-check the account selection before saving the transaction. A small mistake here can affect your reporting, so it's worth taking an extra moment to confirm everything is mapped properly. That's how to handle security deposits in QuickBooks in a simple and accurate way. Once this is set up, your records will be cleaner, your reporting will be more reliable, and managing tenant deposits will be much easier.